Hello children, hope you are all doing good. So we have completed addition of integers, is it? So we have completed exercise 1.1. So today we are going to learn about subtraction of integers, okay? So subtraction of integers, okay? It's also as same as addition of integers, okay? So we can learn very easily by using number line, okay? See, we know in a number line we'll have negative integers in the left hand side and the positive integers in the right hand side, okay? Simply if I am having 4, okay, 4 minus 2. So what will you do? We need to start from 4, okay, minus 2 means we'll move in the left side, okay, 1, 2. So what will you get? What is the answer? So we'll get 2 as the answer, okay. So what are the rules we have learned? Simply if you are having plus and plus means we need to add and put the same sign, okay, we need to add and put the same sign. And for minus and minus, we need to, same sign means simply what we need to do? We need to add and put the same sign. Okay children? And simply if you are having plus and minus, different signs, right? So different signs means what will you do? We need to subtract and put the greater number sign. Okay? Simply if you are having plus and minus means we need to subtract and put the greater number sign. Okay? Subtract and put the greater sign, okay, and then minus and plus the same, subtract and put the greater number sign, okay children. This is the thing we need to remember in your mind, okay. Let us do sums and try these, okay. So and also if you are having 7 minus of minus 1 means what will you get? 7 minus of minus 1, so minus minus will get it as plus, right? So 7 plus 1, 8, okay. The answer is 8. If you are having same symbols here means we need to multiply these signs. So minus and minus will get plus. So 7 plus 1, 8. Okay, as like this we'll put. Okay. So try this first one. Write the question in your notebook. Put today's date and start writing. Okay. So try this. It is in page number 11. Okay. So the first question, do the following by using number line. Okay. First one, minus 4 plus minus 3. First of all, let us draw the number line. Okay. Number line. So start from 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8, minus 9, minus 10. Okay. So for doing the sums in number line, we need to start from 0, right? So we need to start from 0. Now we are here at 0. Okay. So first of all we need to move to minus 4. Okay. We need to move to minus 4. Minus 4 means just in the left hand side. Okay. Minus 4. Negative direction. So we need to move to minus 2. Now we are here. Okay. So we need to minus. Okay. First of all, see we are having different signs here. Right. Here plus and here minus. So minus into plus. Minus into plus means minus, we know that, right? So that we can say it is minus 4 minus 3, okay? Minus 4 minus 3 means minus 3, we need to move it in the negative direction. So minus 3, again 3 steps in the left side, okay? 1, 2 and 3. So what is the answer? So the answer is minus 7, okay children? Yeah, I can do it in your notebook, okay? Put today's date and start writing. Okay children? Write the heading as subtraction of integers. Put the heading as try these and write the sum number 1 and copy it in your notebook. Okay? Draw the number line neatly. Okay children? So next one. Pause the video and write. See second one. Okay? In first one, second is your homework. Okay? And then second one, find the values and compare the answers. We need to find and if it is same or not, like that we need to compare. Okay. First of all, the first one, minus minus 2. See, here minus and minus is there. So minus into minus. So minus into minus plus. Okay, so we can write it as minus 6 plus 2. Okay, so the question we are having is minus 6 and plus 2. Okay, children, can you all understood? So if you are having brackets like this, means here we are having symbol and also inside the bracket we are having symbol. So we can say minus into minus. Okay, minus into minus, it's plus. Okay, so minus 6 plus 2. So what is the answer, ma? Minus 6 plus 2. So we are having negative signs, right? Different signs. So that we need to subtract and put the greater number sign. So 6 minus 2, 4. Okay, 4 is the greater number sign. Minus 6 is greater. So minus 4 is the answer. Okay, and see, minus 6 plus 2. Minus 6 plus 2. See, now it is having different signs so that we can subtract and put the greater number sign. So 6 minus 2, it is minus 4. See, we got the same answers. Okay. So we can say minus 6 minus of minus 2 equal to minus 6 plus 2. Okay. Therefore, these two are equal. Okay, children. As like this, we need to do and compare the answers. Okay. Take down this in your notebook. Pause the video and write. Okay. And then second one. So second one is your homework, okay? In second sum, second one is your homework. And then see the third one, 26 minus of plus 10 and 26 plus minus 10, okay? So first of all, we need to find the value for this, okay? So 26 minus plus 10. So see, minus and plus, so we need to subtract, right? So that we can write the question as 26 minus 10. So 26 minus 10, what will you get? What will you get? So 16, is it? So 26 minus 10, 16. And then see this one, 26 plus minus 10. Okay. So what will you get? 26 minus 10. So here also we are having plus and minus. So 26 minus 10. So the same answer, 16. Okay. So we got both the answers as the same one. So 26 minus of plus 10 equal to 26 plus of minus. Therefore, okay. So this is so these two are equal. Okay. Yeah, take down this in your notebook and then write the third question. Okay. Pause the video and write. And then the third one, put the suitable symbol less than, greater than or equal to in the boxes. Okay. So the first one, minus 10 minus 8, okay, and minus 10 plus 8. So minus 10 minus 8, what will you get? So we are having same signs, right? So that we need to add and put the same signs. So 10 plus 8, 18. Okay, so minus 18 and minus 10 plus 8. So we are having different signs. So that we need to subtract and put the greater number sign. So 10 minus 8, 2. Okay, so greater number sign is 10, so minus, so minus 2, so which is greater now? The number line, the numbers in the right hand side is bigger, okay, the numbers in the right hand side is bigger. See, we are having minus 2 here and minus 18, it will come in this side, so it is bigger, minus 2 is bigger, okay children, so the answer is minus 2, okay, it is bigger. Okay, likewise all other sums are your homework. Okay, let us do example 1.10, which is in page number 12. So example 1.10, okay, example 1.10. Okay, subtract the following using the number line. The question is minus 3 minus 2. Okay, so we are going to draw a number line. Okay. So this is the number line. So we are having negatives, right? So that let's start from negative. Okay, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. Okay. So while doing addition and subtraction number line, we need to start from 0, right? So start the subtraction from 0. So now we are here. We need to move to minus 2. Minus 2 means it's in the left side, okay? Minus 3. It is in the left side, okay? Negative direction. Minus 3. Okay, see, we are having minus and minus here. So minus into minus, plus, okay? So the question we are having is 3 plus 2, okay? Minus 3 plus 2. So now we just move to minus 3, which is in the negative direction. Now we are going to add. So we are having plus sign, okay? So we need to move to plus 2. Plus 2, it is in the right side, okay? So from this minus 3, we need to move 2 steps in the right hand side. So 1 and 2. So what is the answer? The answer is minus 1. Okay, so the answer is minus 1. Okay, so let us do the second one. Second one, what is the question? So plus 6 minus of minus 5. Okay, so just draw the number line. So 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. Okay, so while doing addition and subtraction on a number line, we need to start from 0, right? So here, we are here now. So we need to start from plus 6, okay? Plus 6 means, so it's 5 and it's 6, okay? We need to start from 6. So you need to start from 6. It is in the positive direction, plus, okay? And also we are having minus and minus. So our question will become 6 plus 5. Okay, 6 plus 5 means it will move in the positive direction. Okay, so in the number line, let us make the changes. Okay. See, let's start from minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 13, 14, 15. Okay, so let us start from 0. Okay, so we are here now. We are here now in 0. Okay, so first of all, we need to move to plus 6, which is in the right side. Okay, positive direction. So we need to move in the right side. So that's 0 plus 6. Okay, we are here now. Okay, so we need to add plus 5. Okay, 5 is also in the positive direction. So that we need to move, okay, from 6 we need to move 5 steps in the right side. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so the answer we are getting is 11. Okay, so the answer is 11 plus 11. Okay, so is it clear? So let us do exercise 1.2. In exercise 1.2, third one. Write the question. Find the value of the following. Right? Exercise 1.2. Okay, exercise 1.2. Page number 14. Okay, page number 14. This is 1.2. Question number 3. Find the value of the following. Find the value of the following. First one. Question is minus 3 minus of minus 4. Okay, using number line. Okay, we are going to solve this by using number line. So the question is minus 3 minus of minus 4, right? So see, minus and minus is here. So minus into minus plus. Okay, so the answer is minus 3. So the question it will change it as plus 4. Okay, minus 3 plus 4. So let's draw the number line. So it's a number line and minus 1, 0, minus 1, 0, right? So now we are here. So we need to move to minus 3. Minus 3 means it's in the left hand side, okay? Minus 3. So it's minus 3. Okay? We need to add plus 4. Okay? Plus 4 which is in the plus 4 means it will move in the right hand side. Okay? Now we are here in minus 3, so that we need to move in the right 4 steps in the right hand side. Okay? So 1, 2, 3 and 4. So what is the answer? Get the answer as 1. Okay? So plus 1. Okay, so is it clear? So yeah, put the exercise number 1, 1.2. Write question number 3 and take down this. Okay? Pause the video and write. And then second one. So second one, 7 minus 10. Okay? So using number line. Okay? So the question is 7 minus 10. Okay? See, minus into minus, we'll get the question as 7 plus 10. Okay? 7 plus 10. Already we are having plus here. And then minus into minus, we got the sum as 7 plus 10. So if you are drawing the number line means it will be in the positive direction. Okay? So minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we are having the number line now. So we need to start from 0, right? So we are here now. So first of all we need to move to 7. Okay, plus 7. So it is on the right hand side. Okay, 7. Now we are here. And also we need to move plus 10. So plus 10 means again it is in the right hand side. Okay, from 7 we need to move 10 steps. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so the answer we got is 17. Okay, so the answer is 17. Okay, yeah, take down this in your notebook. So pause the video and write. Okay. So the next is example 1.11. Okay. So it's in page number 12. Example 1.11. Okay, children. So take page number 12 and see example 1.11. The first one, subtract. Okay, SUP. Okay, subtract minus 40 from 70. Okay, children. So minus 40 from 70. So what do you mean by this from? So in subtraction, if you are having the word from means, how will you write? So we need to subtract 70 minus, okay, minus 40. Okay, children. From if the word from is there means you need to take this one as the first term. Okay, children. So 70 minus, okay, minus 40. Okay, this is the question which was given to you. Okay. So what does mean by this minus 40? How you can write this minus 40? 70 minus of minus 40. We can write it as 70 plus. So children, we have learnt about additive inverse, right? So what is the additive inverse of A? The additive inverse of A is minus A. Okay, additive inverse of A is minus A. Okay, children. So additive inverse of 1 is minus 1. So additive inverse of 4 is minus 4. Okay, children. So we can write the additive inverse of minus 40. So what is the additive inverse of minus 40? So what is the additive inverse of minus 40? Plus 40. Okay. So 70 plus 40. So what is the answer? 70 plus 40 means we can directly write as the answer is 110. 10. Okay children, so additive inverse is nothing but simply if you are having the additive inverse of 40 is minus 40 is plus 40. Okay, simply the opposite signs are the additive inverse. Okay, simply the additive inverse of 8 is minus 8. Okay, 9 is minus 9. Okay children, so these are all the additive inverse. So that simply we have mentioned as additive inverse of minus 40. Okay, we can directly write as like this also. Okay, so don't get confused. Okay, simply I just explain what was given in your book. Okay, so book la additive inverse of minus 14 mention பண்ணிருந்தனால நான் உங்களுக்கு இப்படி எழுதிருக்கேன். We can also write as like this. Simply we can multiply minus into minus plus, so we can directly skip to this step. Okay, so here it was given as additive inverse of minus 40. So additive inverse of minus 40 means 40. Okay, so 70 plus 40 equal to 110. Okay children, is it clear? Don't get confused. Okay, and then see the second one. So second one, subtract minus 12 from minus 20. Okay, so we are having the word from here, so that this is the first term. Okay, so minus 20 minus, again already we have minus 12 here, so minus 12. Okay children, so what will you do? First of all, we need to write the same term minus 20. Okay, so now we are having minus and plus here, so that simply we can write plus, and what will you write? Additive inverse of minus 12. So what is the additive inverse of minus 12? Additive inverse of minus 12 is 12. Okay, so the question, so the answer will become, so minus 20 plus 12. So what is the answer? So here we are having different signs, right? Minus and plus. So that 20 minus 12 will get the answer as 8. Okay, so we need to put the greater number sign. Okay, negative sign, minus into plus, so we need to subtract and put the greater number sign. Okay children, so that while subtracting 20 minus 12, so what will you get? 20 minus 12 is 8. Okay, so 8, so the greater number sign is minus, the answer is minus 8. Okay children, is it clear? So what is meant by this additive inverse? Additive inverse means it's nothing but the opposite sign. Okay, so the additive inverse of minus 12 is 12. Okay, so that we have written as minus 20 plus 12. Okay, is it clear? It is the example 1.12. First one, minus 11 minus of minus 33. Okay, this is the first question. Minus 11 and minus of minus 33. So we can write it as minus 11 minus minus will get plus, right? So minus 33. For saying minus 33, we can say it as additive inverse of minus 33. Okay, we can write as additive inverse of minus 30, or else we can write directly as 33. Okay, so the answer, so what will you do? Minus and plus is here, so negative sign. So what will you do? We need to subtract and put the greater number sign. Okay, we need to subtract and put the greater number sign. So 33 minus 11, 22. Okay, so which is the greater number sign? Plus is only greater number sign, so the answer is plus 22. Okay, so if there is no sign means also it is plus 22. Okay, so the next one, minus 90. Okay, minus 90 minus of minus 50. Okay, so how will you do? We have the question as minus 90 minus into minus plus. Okay, we can write plus, and then what will you write? Additive inverse of minus 50. Okay, what is the additive inverse of minus 50? 50, is it? So we are getting the question as minus 90 plus 50. So So we are having different signs, right? Minus and plus. So what will you do? Minus and minus plus? We need to subtract and put the greater number sign. Okay. So 90 minus 50. 40. Okay. We will get the answer as 40. And which is the greater number sign? Greater number is 90. So the sign is minus. Okay. So the answer is minus 40. Okay, children, is it clear? So that's all about today's class. Let me give you homework. Okay. So note down your today's homework. Okay. So your homework is from page number 11. Try these. Okay. Try these in sum number 1, the second one, and in sum number 2, second one. Okay. And the third one, it's about finding greater than or less than, is it? So put the suitable symbol, less than, greater than. Okay. You can also do it, complete it in your book. And then in page number 14, exercise 1.2, in third and fourth is your homework. Okay. Take down this. Okay. So do this third and fourth in your notebook as a homework. Okay. In the next class also, I'll explain this third and fourth. Okay. Very easy sum. But I'll give the answers in the next class. Okay, children. So do your homework properly and neatly. Okay. Use only blue ink pens. Okay. After completing each sum, draw lines by using scales and pencil. Okay, children. Thank you.